Welcome to Vouchy Reviews. If we vouch it, it's legit. If we don't, you already know it's trash. Let's go.
Hey everyone! So, if you're like me and always looking for relief when the cold and cough season hits, this right here is a must have, the Vicks VapoSteam Medicated Liquid with Camphor. This little 8-ounce bottle packs a punch. It's designed for use in warm steam vaporizers and humidifiers and creates a soothing medicated steam that helps ease coughing and irritation. Using it is super simple. Just add the recommended amount to your vaporizer or warm mist humidifier. It goes into the medicine cup, not the tank. That's important. Within minutes, your room fills with that classic Vicks vapor, and it really helps open up dry, irritated breathing passages. It's soothing, easy to use, and you can feel the relief within minutes.